Hello and welcome back! So we already did cooking chicken and rice, and I figured we'd do another cooking show. And when I figured we would do another cooking show, I figured it out halfway through my cooking process. So far it is either not cooking or I up it by 1 and it starts burning. Yeah, and by the way, I already burned my garlic. So that's where we are. We are making my favorite dish. Please ignore my unmade bed. My mom will kill me. But today we are making Thai green curry. Hello! I have nowhere to put my phone, so. Alright, so we have minced our garlic, cooked our chicken. I already cooked the rice so that y'all wouldn't have to sit through that whole process, because trust me, it takes forever. So we're gonna set our chicken aside and we're gonna start on the curry. So today we are using this green curry paste that we got at Tops, and it's actually super crazy easy. All we are going to do is open it up. See, I cook, people. All right, so we've got the green curry paste right here. It's not super appetizing right now, but we'll make it. We'll get there. All right, so green curry paste, we're gonna add it to our pan. Look at that, yummy, yummy. Okay, scooping on out. So we did the green curry paste in our pan right now. It looks all mushy and goopy. That's okay. Haven't turned the pan on. Next we have our coconut milk. Add the coconut milk to the curry paste. Just gonna plop out. Yep, there we go. Then I'm gonna turn my pan back on. Now we're gonna stir it all together. Wait until the oil appears on top. Looks a lot more appetizing after it's done. Right now it just kind of looks like light green pea soup or something. My biggest fear is actually dropping my phone into this curry. So if y'all hear me scream and the phone suddenly cuts out, it's probably because I dropped my phone into the green curry. It's starting to look a little bit better now. You can see the oil starting to appear, so we're gonna turn the heat back off for a minute. And from here, we are going to add our chicken back in. Turn the heat back up. Stir it all together. Okay, after we've added our chicken back in, we're gonna add a cup of water. I don't have measuring tools, but I feel like that's about a cup because it's a small cup. Stir it up, let it cook. Right, our chicken is cooking, slash it was already halfway cooked because I like to make sure everything is done before I actually stick it in my pot. I have already cut up my tiny round eggplants. That's what's going in next. And my 2 chili peppers, which honestly I probably only need 1, but you know, we're feeling adventurous tonight. So we're gonna add that into the mix. It's hard to do this with one hand. We got chili peppers, we got eggplant. Then we're gonna add some basil leaves, and I definitely cannot do this with one hand, so. Okay, so, got the basil leaves in there. We've got chili pepper, which I didn't cut it all the way through, but that's okay because I don't actually eat that chili pepper because it will destroy me. I don't feel like letting that happen right now. We got our eggplants. We gotta wait for it to cook. Everything has already been washed. So now we're just waiting. And the last thing we need is a little bit of salt. Because we're in Thailand, we need sugar. I don't actually buy sugar, but it's okay because every time I go get soup, they give me these little packets, and this packet is exactly like 3 teaspoons of sugar, which is the recommended amount. Sugar's been added, salt's been added. I'm losing a chopstick. Alright, there, oh no. These chopsticks are kind of warped because I use them to cook all the time. Just gonna stir it all together. And, ooh, it's very hot. I don't know why I always forget that my plates, my bowls are hot, but here is Thai green curry. It's got chicken, round eggplant, basil, and chili peppers. So and side note, if anyone wants to know how I clean things up, here's my dish. I can't put it in the sink because my sink is tiny. So in order to wash stuff, they have so nicely and kindly provided me with a spout in my shower. So I have to walk into my shower and wash my plates. So living the Thai life, living the high life. All right, I guess. Again, don't really know what's coming up next because I'm not doing much with my life, but cooking has been really fun. So until next time, sawadee ka!